The most popular automatic gate opener isn't always the best. Most people assume that. But when you're spending hundreds or even over $1,000, you want something reliable, not just well marketed. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 real options that actually deliver based on specs, real-world use, and what buyers actually care about.
Product number 1, Cozy CG1400 Sliding Gate Opener. Let's start with the Cozy CG1400. This is a solid entry-level sliding gate opener, priced under $240, which already makes it stand out. It's built for gates up to 40 feet long and 1,400 pounds. So if you've got a heavy driveway gate, this one can handle it. The 280-watt motor moves the gate at about 42 feet per minute, which is fast enough for daily use without feeling sluggish. You get 2 remotes included, and the system supports up to 25 total, which is great for big families or shared driveways. Installation is straightforward with all tools included, and the chain drive design is durable for long-term use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a no-frills, budget-friendly solution that still handles heavy gates, this hits the sweet spot. The steel frame and ABS cover help with heat dissipation, and frequency encryption keeps your remote secure from hacking. Now, some people might worry about the lack of customer reviews. It shows 0 stars with no feedback yet, which makes sense since it's newer on the market. Here's the thing though, Cozy has a track record with garage and gate hardware, and at this price, the specs are hard to ignore. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable sliding gate opener without overspending. Skip this one if you need solar power or smartphone control. For under $240, it's one of the best value picks for basic automation.
Product number 2, Ghost Control's TSS-1XP Solar Swing Gate Opener. Now, if the Cozy's lack of solar power bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Ghost Control's TSS-1XP is a solar-powered beast designed for single swing gates up to 20 feet or 900 pounds. Priced around $843, it's definitely a step up in cost, but you're paying for off-grid capability and smart features. It includes a 10-watt solar panel, control box, remote with a 1,000-foot range, and even tube gate brackets for easy mounting. No welding needed. The real win here is the DIY-friendly design and compatibility with third-party smart apps, so you can control your gate from your phone. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in a rural area or just hate dealing with wiring, solar power means no electrical headaches and lower long-term costs. The system runs on a 12-volt battery, not included, and you can expand solar input up to 30 watts for cloudy climates. Now, some people complained about the battery not being included, which is true. You'll need to buy a deep cycle marine battery separately. Here's the thing though, that's standard for solar kits, and it gives you flexibility to choose the right capacity. This is perfect for you if you want clean, quiet operation and don't mind the upfront investment. Skip this one if you have a dual gate setup or solid panel gates. It's not designed for those. For off-grid reliability, it's one of the best single-gate solar solutions out there.
Product number 3, Ghost Control's TDS-2XP Dual Solar Gate Opener. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for homes with double gates. The Ghost Control's TDS-2XP is built for dual swing gates up to 24 feet total opening and 900 pounds. At $1,219, it's the priciest on this list, but you're getting 2 heavy-duty arms, a 10-watt solar panel, and full smart compatibility. Like its single-gate sibling, it uses a 12-volt battery, not included, and offers a 1,000-foot remote range. Installation is tool-based and doesn't require high-voltage wiring, which saves time and money. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got a wide driveway with 2 swinging panels, most kits force you to buy 2 single units. This one handles both in one package, with synchronized operation and better balance. The monocrystalline solar panel is efficient, and you can expand up to 30 watts if needed. Now, some people were frustrated by the lack of included battery and the need for push-to-open brackets if the gate swings outward. Here's the thing though, those are minor add-ons compared to the convenience of a unified system. This is perfect for you if you have a large dual swing gate and want solar-powered automation without the hassle. Skip this one if you only have a single gate. It's overkill. For dual gate solar setups, this is the gold standard.
Product number 4, Ghost Controls TSS1 Non-Solar Swing Gate Opener. Now, if solar isn't a must-have, the Ghost Controls TSS1 offers the same reliability without the panels. Coming in at $693, it's the non-solar version of the TSS1 XP. It's built for single swing gates up to 20 feet or 900 pounds and includes an AC transformer for battery charging, so you'll need access to power. You still get the 3-button remote with a 1,000-foot range, control box, and tube gate brackets. The kit requires a 12-volt battery, not included, but the transformer makes recharging simple. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have reliable electricity near your gate, this gives you consistent performance without worrying about sunlight. It's also compatible with smart add-ons like the Ghost Multi-Connect for app control. Now, some people were annoyed by the missing battery and wire not being included for transformer setup. Here's the thing though, that's common with gate kits, and the AC option actually makes it more reliable in winter or low sun areas. This is perfect for you if you want Ghost Controls quality but don't need solar. Skip this one if you're off-grid or hate wiring. For homes with power access, it's a dependable mid-tier choice. Product number 5, 4,400-pound sliding gate opener with app control, which is rare at this price. Finally, if you want serious power and modern features, this 4,400-pound sliding gate opener at $378 is a sleeper hit. It supports massive gates up to 40 feet and nearly 1.5 tons thanks to its 750-watt motor, more than double the Cozy's power. You get 4 remotes, a wireless keyboard, and full smartphone app control, which is rare at this price. The kit includes everything for installation, and the motor is built for heavy daily use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got a commercial-style gate or live in a high-traffic area, this level of durability and control is essential. The app lets you open, close, and monitor your gate from anywhere, adding real security. Now, some people might worry about long-term reliability since there are no reviews yet. Here's the thing though, the specs are strong and the price-to-performance ratio is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want app control and heavy-duty power without spending over $1,000. Skip this one if you have a swing gate. It's only for sliding setups. For tech-savvy users with big gates, this is a steal. So, which one should you pick? If you're on a budget with a sliding gate, the COZ CG1400 delivers solid performance. Need solar for a single gate? Ghost Controls TSS1 XP is the way to go. Dual gates? The TDS2 XP handles both with ease. Prefer wired power? The TSS1 is reliable and smart-ready. And if you want app control and serious muscle, that 4,400 pounds opener is a hidden gem. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems. Just match the right one to your gate and lifestyle.